Hey guys, just wanted to give you a quick update on the channel and also my life in general. So to put it shortly, I have recently found a job at Lockheed Martin Skunk Works out here in Palmdale, California. Uh, I am now an aeronautical engineer at one of the best companies in the world, guys. This has been a dream long time in the making, and I'm finally here. I remember seeing a comment on a YouTube video of mine a while back saying, you should work at NASA to pay the bills. You got, what was it? I think it was like, you got the skills to pay NASA's bills or something like that. And it was really funny and it stuck with me. But guys, this is the real deal. Like Palmdale, California, like I know I only work at Lockheed, but like all the big companies are here. Boeing, Northrop Grumman, NASA shares a facility with Boeing as well. So this area is known for building experimental planes, advanced aircraft, pushing the envelope of aerospace, aeronautics in particular. So I'm super excited to be here, and maybe I'll show you guys around the area in the future for the channel, but this is some super exciting stuff, truly, guys. And I couldn't have done it without support from family and friends along the way. And certainly your support on the channel has nurtured my interests in aerospace and building aircraft and designing aircraft. So I'm really glad for all the support that you guys have given over the years, truly. So a couple of updates for the channel. Since I am on a different coast than I am from, 3,000 miles away from my place in Connecticut, I won't be able to work on RC aircraft for the time being. I won't have my shop for a while until I get settled here. So in the meantime, I'll be working on smaller scale projects again. I might continue the Astra design iterations. They're just building like the next version of the Astra where I think there are some changes I want to make to the undercarriage and some of the mechanisms inside. But yeah, I'll be going back to smaller scale projects for the time being. I might mix in some videos about my adventures out in this area, because this is a pretty exciting place. I find it pretty interesting, and I think you guys will enjoy it as well. In fact, right now I am sitting in my car in a parking lot at Blackbird Air Park. I've tried to shoot this video so many times, but I just don't know what to say, guys. Like honestly, this is just too much. It's so exciting that I'm finally here, and being in a position, having the privilege of working on these incredible aircraft is truly amazing. So let's go out and I'll show you guys around the area and hopefully make a video out of it. But just wanted to give you guys a quick update first, and yeah, let's take a look at the area.